There's no frost or ice or anything inside of the heat pump. The fan is moving slightly just from the wind outside. Ooh, and then it stopped. And now it's making that ringing sound again. Okay, so it turned on for, what was that, 5 seconds? And then immediately turned off.